Hello, good morning all. So we are discussing the chapter control and coordination, and we studied what are the parts of human brain, what are the major parts of human brain, or what are the parts of central nervous system. Second part of this nervous system, that is the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of mainly the cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves arising from the brain and spread to various parts of the body. They are 12 pairs in number. The cranial nerves, which contain sensory, motor and mixed nerves. Then the spinal nerves, 31 pairs of spinal nerves arise from the spinal cord and most of its length and spread throughout the body. They are mixed nerves as they carry both the sensory and motor nerve fibers. Then autonomic nervous system. It is a system which operates automatically or involuntarily. It includes all those responses against stimuli which are not under the control of animal. Okay. The autonomic nervous system is subdivided into sympathetic and parasympathetic system. The smooth muscles of various internal organs receive both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. Both the systems have involuntary opposing effect. If one system exerts stimulatory effect on an organ, on the other system exerts inhibitory effect of that organ. That means, for example, if sympathetic system increases the contraction and rate of heartbeat, the parasympathetic system decreases the contraction and rate of heartbeat. Another one, if sympathetic system helps in the dilation of pupil of the eye, pupil means Krishnamani, then parasympathetic system helps in the constriction of pupil in the eye. So like this sympathetic and parasympathetic system, they are always giving this kind of stimulatory effect and also inhibitory effect of different internal organs such as heart, blood vessels, lungs, eyes, stomach, salivary gland, urinary bladder, etc. Then three types of actions that we already know. They are the two that are familiar to us. They are the involuntary and voluntary actions. Involuntary actions are those actions that are taking place under the control of our body or our brain, whereas involuntary actions, they are taking place not under the control of our brain. Okay, then the third type of action, that is a reflex action. This reflex actions, these are the spontaneous, automatic and mechanical response to a stimulus acting on a specific receptor without the will of an organism. Example, the blinking of eyes, withdrawal of hand or food every time suddenly when we are prickling over a pin or any sharp object. Similarly, watering of mouth while seeing the food when hungry. All these are the examples for reflex actions. Then what is the difference between this reflex action and involuntary actions? It is a type of involuntary action, but in reflex actions generally involve the spinal cord for quick response. Sudden response or quick response is there. The action, this quick response is under the control of spinal cord, not under the control of brain. This reflex action, which involves the spinal cord, then a sensory neuron, then a receptor organ and also one effector. So there is no role for this brain in reflex action. Only after the reflex action is over, the brain thinks about that. So these are the details regarding the important points regarding the coordination in animals. Next we have to study about the coordination in plants. Only the nervous coordination that we discussed in animals. The chemical coordination is there that we can do later. Okay.